Hey guys, how you doing? This is another weekly video here. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm doing the fruit tarts. Previously I had showed you how to do the apple pie. So I'll put the recipe in the description for the dough and the crust. So those have come out of the oven and basically they're ready to be done with the pastry cream. Pastry cream is easy. It's only it's the Jello mix, vanilla. You can find it at Walmart. You just add 2 cups of milk and let it sit in the fridge for 5 minutes. So that's what I use. And here I'm laying my strawberries. You can use any fruit, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. I use kiwi to give it a little colors. And I also use the peaches, half peaches in a can. So I get my type of orange color for that. So these get soft after you refrigerate them for about 3 to 4 hours. So you can pretty much decorate them the way you like.